Hi guys, I'm Asa, and right now I'm answering probability with replacement. A while ago it was without replacement, just in case you haven't watched it, remember about it. Also, I'd like to thank Euka Future Learning for sponsoring this video. Thanks to Miss Ellen Brown and Mr. Jared Van Poppel for creating Euka and helping me along the way. And also, thanks to Euka for your best quality education. So, a jar contains 10 blue, 4 green, and 2 purple jelly beans. Probability of selecting a green, then a blue jelly bean, which is 10. So, 4 times 10, which is this one. So, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Yeah. Very good. Explain to them why you committed a mistake on the first one.
Well, it's because I didn't know what the answer was. Because
You got confused with
I
it?
got confused. I thought it was plus, but it was actually times. So yeah, I was really confused back then. A jar contains 7 purple, 6 green, and 2 jelly. Probability of selecting a purple, then a green, which means 7 times 6 is equal to 7. Where's the 7 times 6? There's the 7 times 6. It's equal to this 21 over 100.
Sure.
And
Amazing! You're so fast!
please subscribe to my channel, and please click the like.
Whoa!
And please take a okay.
And please subscribe.
Yes, also while you're on this video, you can subscribe to my channel as well.
No, say it properly so they can understand.
Purpley.
Properly. Go. You need to know.
Purpley. A jar contains 9 green, 5 orange, and 2 pink jelly beans. Find the probability of the green reflection. So the green is 9, pink is 2. So 2 times 9 or 9 times 2. And 9 times 2
Sure, analyze it.
Gotta go.
Sure. Amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. Awesome.
Oh,
Great
wow.
job. So gotta be the
Pink, purple, and blue. It looks like a nice color scheme.
Yeah.
Nice color scheme. A jar contains purple then a blue jelly bean. So 4 times 3. 3, 2, 1, go!
What? Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
Everybody
I
gets
did
mistake.
it!
One
So,
mistake is
yay! Yes, I'll get 9 out of 10. So, red, and then the purple. So 7 times 5, which is equal. There's the one. Wait, it says flood.
What?
It says flood over here. The weather just said flood.
Oh my gosh! It may be in the province. Another province.
Rain to stop.
Okay,
Yay!
great job.
Rain to stop, which is nicer. Okay, blue then green. That means okay, no, get land. Now let's do this. 2 times 5 is equal to. Please subscribe to my channel.
It's still down.
And wait, no, yellow then purple, which means 7 times 5, which is.
You sure? Double check. Amazing! So it's
10
easy
out of
for it.
9 out of 10. I beat my high score.
It's very easy for
Yay!
you. You're right.
Please subscribe to my channel.
It's very easy.
And yes, please do like, and please save my playlist, and please subscribe to my channel. Woohoo! Bye guys. Have fun. Remember that even sometimes school and math is fun. Bye guys.